Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can get an underwater effect for your video with CapCut application. So here I already prepared the project on my application. Let's just check the video first. So this is an apple and I would like to make this apple looks like in underwater. So there will be like several effects that you can use on the CapCut. Actually, you just need to go take a look on this bottom side and just go get these effects and go get this video effects. To make your work quick, faster, you just need to type underwater into the search button here and then just click it, and there will pop up the effects related to water that you can use here. So the first effects that I would like to suggest you is this, the water reflection. That will pop up in the first line in the left corner. So you just need to go click it to apply into the video. So the video will have this type of look. So it just make this video looks like the video is inside of the glass that containing water on it. So that's the first effect. The second effect, I wanted to give to you a chance to use this droplets. So you just need to go click it, and this is how does it will look like. And the next one is just need to go scrolling down again, and there will be like give you into the water wave reflection. So you just need to go click it, and here is the look whenever you applied it into the video. So those apple will looks like there's just dipping into the water. You can also get another one, which is the scrolling down again, and then you will got this water riplets right here, and then you just need to go click it, and this is how does it will look like. It's just the same with the previous effects, but then it has like thin waves compared to the previous one. So basically that is the way, guys, how you can make an underwater effect into the video that you have with the CapCut. Hopefully you found this video very useful for you. So let's meet again into other tutorial.